Hi everyone, we're here at the HavaTech Showcase. I'm here with Ben Linskins, representing ASR Enterprises and AtlasIED. Ben, thanks so much for coming out today.
Thank you for having us. Really appreciate it.
Hey, really excited to have you. Can you tell me a little bit about Atlas overall and what we're looking at as far as products here?
Yeah, of course. So AtlasIED is a 91-year-old audio manufacturer, family owned. So we've been in the business for a very, very long time. We've got everything from mic stands all the way up to international airports, paging. So we've kind of got two of our three main categories shown off right now. We've got our Atmosphere DSP with some premium speakers, and now the most premium loudspeaker on the market with our fine audio. And then we also have our mass communication platform, IPX, which is a full IP solution for any mass communication from K through 12 to healthcare to manufacturing. We've got that covered under one pane of glass for any paging.
Fantastic, and that also gives you the capability to also tie into video conferencing systems as well, correct?
Correct, yes. So on the background music and paging side, we can tie into video conferencing for that and provide a full audio solution for any of those areas.
Fantastic. And I know you mentioned, best speaker in the market. What is really setting Atlas apart from everybody else as far as what's looking down the line as far as new products, new technology, being proactive in the market?
Yeah, I would say I would harken back to that kind of family-owned aspect to it, that we are really investing in our own people and our own engineering solutions. So Atmosphere, every 6 months we're coming out with new software or hardware for that product lineup and continuously expanding to create a complete audio solution for any environment.
Fantastic. And just out of my own curiosity, do you offer any type of remote management on any of these products?
Yes, so for the mass communication platform, it's a fully cloud-based platform through a partner company of ours called SingleWire.
Yes.
And so with that, you can have access to your mass communication, your paging system anywhere in the world, and it really democratizes that so that any individual can make those split-second decisions that they need to do. Which
is crucial in technology, obviously.
Definitely.
Now, this is awesome. I'm really excited about this. Everybody check out Atlas. Ben, what's the best place for everybody to find you?
On the website, AtlasIED.com.
Thanks, Ben, so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.